Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by getting the sensor physically ready. Plug the Kinect power and USB cable into the Xbox 360 and wall outlet, then place the unit about 6 feet from where you'll stand at roughly chest height. Once done, power on the console and watch for the Kinect setup prompt. The system will detect the hardware and offer to download drivers or updates. Make sure the play area is clear, lighting is even, and sockets are secure before moving forward. You'll now log into your profile and choose the Kinect setup option so the console can learn your space and voice. First, adjust the camera angle until your full body is framed, then set audio levels so the microphone picks up clear commands without ambient noise. Next, run the skeleton tracking and voice calibration routines. Follow on-screen prompts to stand in the center, perform the guided motions, and speak sample commands. These steps optimize responsiveness and reduce false detections when you play. You're ready to launch a Kinect-enabled game and follow any in-game calibration steps, those fine-tune gameplay for that title. Make sure the play area is a clear 6-8-foot rectangle, free of reflective floors or bright backlighting that can confuse the sensor. If tracking or audio still misbehaves, check the sensor's power brick and USB connection, verify the camera angle, and restart the console. Often a reboot or rerunning setup fixes detection issues quickly. If problems persist, swap ports and test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.